everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy. Today I thought I would share with you one of my late yarn finding in the world of knitting and crochet. Since we are finding ourselves stuck home, I thought it would be fun to share it with you, so maybe I can inspire you, or you can just discover new brands of yarn that you didn't know. But I actually went berserk on their website. I should probably tell you who I am talking about. The company is called Wool and the Gang. I think they are based in the United Kingdom. They are the coolest company ever. I will put a little bit of their website here, and then I will put the link to their website down below. I'm not sponsored, they don't know I exist. I buy all the yarn with my own money. They are on the most expensive side, so just so you know. But yeah, I fell in love with their philosophy, I fell in love with their ideas, I fell in love with their yarn. And yeah, I went a little cray-cray. Oops, those were my glasses. I went a little cray-cray and I went and I have 3 big bags like that. This is the way the yarn arrived in my box. Isn't it cool? It's like a big bag. It says Wool and the Gang, made unique, hashtag made unique. Super nice. So I have 1, I have 2, and I have 3. Funny thing is that I only bought 3 different kinds of yarn. I just bought enough so I could really create something. I have no idea what I am going to make with this yarn. Let me put my glasses. Ooh, I look way smarter like that. The first yarn that I bought is Super Trooper wool. And this year those kind of colors are super in there, like those caramel and camel brown color, which is one of my favorite color with teal, so I'm super happy. By the way, teal and caramel looks so good. But yeah, so this is the color is beige. There are 50 grams per skein, washable, wearable, gentle, blah 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 blah. It's 100% superwash merino wool, but it's super soft, and yeah, I cannot wait to do something with it. I have no idea what. It actually feels more like cotton than wool. Has a little bit of elasticity in it. Love it. How many skeins did I get of that? I think I got 9 skeins of this one. And the next one that I bought is again, it's those colors. Oh my gosh, so this one is extremely soft. Wool and the Gang Al Pacino. Even their names are fun. Al Pacino Merino. And the color is chestnut brown. And you have 100 grams per skein, so it's a heftier skein, but of course the yarn is thicker, so the same amount of yarn will be heavier. It's 40% baby alpaca and 60% merino wool. Love it, and I can see myself making a really nice knitted chunky sweater with that. What do you think? Put in the comment box if you have any ideas of things you want me to create for you, either on my crochet channel or on my knitting channel. I'll put my knitting channel address here if you wanted to go and check it out. But yeah, let me know what you would like me to create with that. And then the third one that I bought, it's even chunkier and heftier. This one is same colors. There's a theme, right? A Crazy Sexy Wool, that's the name of it, and I agree, it's crazy sexy. And it is 100% wool this time, and you have 200 grams per skeins. I got a lot of that. And again, I want to make a super chunky sweater with that. That would be amazing for a big blanket too. Those really big chunky blankets that you can put as a decoration on your bed. But yeah, here we go. Those are the 3 things that I bought from Wool and the Gang. Go check them out. And then the second website that I really like, that I buy most of my yarn there, for example the Barocco yarn that I use in my mask tutorial, I bought there. They have really nice sales and really nice prices, and of course I should again tell you where it comes from. It's webs.com, websyarn.com. I'll put all the info about it in the info box down below. And I bought this classic elite yarn, Palace yarn, which is so soft and so beautiful. It is in that lime green color and I love it. I bought a few skeins of that. I think I bought 10 or 12 of that. 12. I bought 12 of that. And then I found something really similar but from another brand, Plymouth yarn, and the yarn is called Viento, and it's again this caramel color that I cannot get enough for whatever reason this year. Yeah, so tell me what you would like me to create with these. They're extremely soft. What is the content in that? 7% baby alpaca, 30% bamboo. And this one, that's the Viento, and this one is 55% baby alpaca, 25% bamboo, and 20% Donegal. This is it, guys. So this is what I received yesterday in my mail, and I cannot wait to create beautiful things with you and for you. I hope you are staying healthy. I hope you are doing okay. As I said, I am going to try to post more often during this time when we are all home and taking it slow. Okay, don't hesitate to come and hang out with me on my social media. And also, if you are not subscribed to my crochet family, what are you waiting for? It's totally free. Click on the subscribe button, hit the little bell to be notified every time I post something new. Let's spend some more time together. Comment in the comment box down below. Let me know how you're doing. So yeah, I hope you are all doing well during those tough times. And I hope my crochet helps you go a little easier through this journey that will be ours for the next few months. And stay healthy, stay safe, take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye. I love it.